And good luck, guys. The Heritage Early Bird. We are full. Dice roll. We are going 9 times. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here, 9 here. Angels up top. The Rangers at the bottom. 9 times on your names. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here, 9 here. Mitch up top. James at the bottom. Sort them out here, everybody. And there's your teams. Good luck. Let's rip. And your guys' loyalty points have been added. Jake and Tyler. Again, guys, grab your completer spots on the website. You guys take your spots on the website. Gotta move the completers, gotta move the bundles. And we'll be off and ripping here for the night. Let's rip some Heritage, boys. Rip some Heritage baseball. Packs all over the place. We're just going 3 stacks instead of 4. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Just the one boxer. I'll just go pack at a time here. Go pack at a time. Ramon Laureano. Omar Cruz. Undefeated Reds. Hagenman. Old Pete Rose for Glenn. Chandler Simpson. Got a blue border. Casey Mize for the Tigers. Yohan Moncada. We have Patrick Corbin on the blue border. Shelby Miller. Zach Veen, Jack Dreyer. We have Hayden Sanger for the Mets. Trevor Story. Where'd all my regular card sleeves go, man? Somebody stole them. Somebody nabbed all my regular card sleeves out of here. I tell you. I leave the room for one day, man, and everyone moves my stuff. We have Lou Brock for the Cardinals. Ryan Johnson. Augustin Ramirez. Arias. Elvis, Alvarado, Cade Horton, and AJ Blue Ball. Elvis on the blue border. Guys, grab your completers, grab your bundle deals on the website. Got to close those out. Ronnie Simon, Chrome rookie for the Pirates. Juan Mejia. Evan Sisk. What do we got here? Black Refractor rookie, Gage Workman. We did it. Kalelua, 67 out of 76. I don't know if Caleb's in here yet, man. Caleb will get a kick out of that. Gage Workman on the Black Refractor. We got Matt Shaw for the Cubbies. And Jacob Wall. Casey Mize, Javi Baez. Matt Gorski, Evan Sisk, Ramirez, Larnack. Caleb Freeman, blue border rookie. Chase Mydroth. He said, hell yeah, there's Mr. Workman. He even pops out in Heritage. We got redemption out of the Heritage. Who the hell could this be? Show me Ohtani Red Ink one time out of a $7 early bird break. Show me Ohtani Red Ink, please. Real one autograph of... Hey, we take it for the Dodgers. Hyesung Kim on the real one auto going to Carlos. There you go, sir. And Hyesung Kim, real one autograph redemption going to Sir Carlos. Still for the Dodgers, redemption was still a Dodger. Black border. Cody Clemens. That's the first black border I've seen. Hit a lot of blue borders. Have not hit a black border. Luke Keyshaw from Minnesota. Frazier, Taylor Walls. Luke Keyshaw refractor. Jose Iglesias. And guys, grab your completers, grab your bundles if you can. The faster we close out the completers and the bundles, faster we're ripping all your breaks tonight here, gentlemen. We're going to clear out the website. Evan Sisk for the Pirates on the blue. Foil of Aaron Judge for the Yanks. Gage Workman behind it. It's a Gage Workman break. They got the chrome bend backwards on this card. Marcelo Mayer rookie, Jake Fraley, Hank Aaron, Eric Wagaman, to Brian Hayes. 4 packs to go, gentlemen. And the Heritage Bird. Probably see another numbered card here if I had to guess. Justin Turner blue, Sam Huff. Casey Mize on the chrome. Don Kirkwood, 50th anniversary for the Angels. Mitch. We can't escape. Can't escape Mr. Gage Workman. He's in every pack. Last pack. Where you at, Gage? You hiding in here again? Michael Taylor. Played Tidwell. We'll recap here, gentlemen. Recap on the Heritage Bird. And we had Don Kirkwood. Aaron Judge. Gage Workman. Sisk. Keyshaw. ×2. Cody Kemmons black border. Hyasong Kim for the Dodgers on the redemption auto. Caleb Freeman, Matt Shaw, Gage Workman /76. Ronnie Simon, Elvis Alvarado, and Hayden Sanger. That is the break, guys. Again, Heritage in the books. Appreciate the fill.